You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ram 3500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, skid plates, a bedliner, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.